race. What a race it was. Oh my God. We got here a little late, but we saw a little bit of the race.
An incredible drive for that Ford Mustang. Let's go into the main
It was 6 o'clock.
Connecticut kid gets to
It was 6 o'clock East Coast time.
Jamie.
Joey Logano, so much anticipation for this event. What does it mean to you to be the first winner right here? The Clash at the Coliseum.
It feels great. It feels great. I've never been so excited in my whole life. I can't believe it. I just wish the other cars would have used their directionals.
This is big. I'm having a baby. Well, my wife's having a baby tomorrow, our third one. So
Unbelievable.
Got a lot of applause for that. Baby number 3 on the way. But Joe, yesterday in practice, you guys struggled a little bit. You're learning this car. You're wrapping your arms around it. How did you step up so big, make those right adjustments, and be able to run?
Well, you know, it took a lot of courage. It took a lot of courage.
The engineers do a great job. The guys working on the car did an amazing job. Finding speed. We were slow. We were 28th or so on the board yesterday, and made some good changes. Worked with our teammates. Trying to blame a lot to him too, to see some of the gains they made and ultimately get the win. So I'll tell you, my buddy Hudson and Jameson, my wife Brittany. This is cool. I'm headed home after this. So I told her, if you're having the baby, I'm just running right off the track from here. So I don't think it's happening right now, but
Wow,
this is
thank God it's
this
not
is special.
happening
To
right
get the
now.
first next-gen win, the first win out here in the Coliseum. It's a special one, so we're gonna have some fun and celebrate it.
We gotta get here early next time. Wow, what a race it was. It was an exciting race. Everybody had a good time. Right, yeah. Hold it, film me. Film me. It was a great race. It was a great race. We got here a little late. We got here a little late. It's 6 o'clock. New York time, not 6 o'clock California time. It was, the time difference is just unbelievable. It was a great race. Everybody was held all, and everything is just fine. I got it. Thank you. Wow. So that's it from the LA Coliseum. I hope you enjoyed the race. Drive carefully, use your directionals, and watch your speed.